What I'm about to show you is going to completely change the way websites are built forever, because you no longer need to hire a developer. You can just type a one-sentence description of your business into this AI tool right here and generate a fully optimized, stunning website complete with multiple pages and a professional design in under 5 minutes. And I'm going to prove to you that this actually works. So about 6 years ago, I built this website right here for a family member's business. It took me a couple of weeks back then to build this, and honestly, at the time, it looked great, but it's starting to feel a little bit dated. So today, I'm rebuilding this exact same site from scratch using only AI. I'll show you every single step of the process so you can follow along and do the same thing with your own website, whether it's a brand new website or if you need a redesign like this one. I'm using Hostinger Horizons for this because it's genuinely one of the fastest ways to go from nothing to a fully built website. Everything you need is bundled into one single platform: the AI builder, hosting, domain, even SSL. And so you're not having to stitch together, 5 different tools just to get the site live. And because Hostinger Horizons builds everything from just a single prompt, it's perfect for a project like this where we want something that is professional without having to spend hours in a page builder. So let's get into it. So you'll first want to navigate to Hostinger Horizons using the link on the screen or in the description below. And you'll get an extra 10% discount on top of any deals by using that link. Click View Plans and pick whichever one works for you. I'm going to go with the starter plan because it's really the sweet spot for a project like this. It comes with 70 AI credits per month, which is plenty for building and refining a site like ours. Plus, you get a free domain name for the first year and the ability to create up to 25 separate websites. And it even unlocks e-commerce features if you ever wanted to sell products down the line. From here, you'll choose how you want to pay. I always recommend going with the annual plan. You lock in a significantly lower rate than paying month to month. Plus, you'll get that free domain name for the first year. It is a little bit more money up front, but it pays for itself quickly compared to paying monthly, which you'll end up paying significantly more over the long term. Either way, use coupon code Joshua Mayo for an extra 10% off in addition to your existing discount for using the link down below. Then click continue, register with Google or an email and password, then enter your billing details and complete the payment. Once Hostinger Horizons loads, you'll get the option to either start from scratch or choose a pre-made template. I would recommend just starting from scratch. You'll end up with a much more customized site this way. So right here in the prompt box, I'm basically just going to describe the business. Now, when you are writing the prompt, you want to cover a few things: what the business does, who it's for, and any specific sections that you want included. The more direction you give it up front, the less cleanup you'll need to do later, okay? So I'll type something like, build a modern professional website for a landscaping business that offers landscape supply, landscape management, and landscaping installation services. And then you can see that the prompt continues with more detail. I'll leave a template of this prompt down below in the description so you can just copy it, fill in the information to fit your website, and then paste that prompt into Horizons to get the best results. But once the prompt looks good, hit enter and the AI gets to work. This will take a couple of minutes, but once it's done, we'll have a genuinely impressive website built from just one small prompt. So let's take a look at the first preview of this site. I would say that overall, the branding looks super clean. The layout works really well. We've got a navigation menu. You can see we've got service pages, everything that you would expect from a professional landscaping site. And it's not just for show. Like, everything here is fully functional. Like, if we click into the services section, it takes me to a real page with details, exactly like a finished site should have. So now that the AI has actually built the site, let's make it our own site by customizing the content. And Horizons gives you a few different ways to edit the content depending on what you're changing. And once you know all of them, you can basically customize anything on the site very easily. First, let's talk about what makes up the bulk of any website, which is the text and the images. So to edit those, switch over to the Edit Content tab right here. Once editing mode is turned on, everything on the site that's outlined in blue can be edited by simply clicking on the element. So let's just say that I wanted to update the contact info in the footer down here. I just click on the text, type in a phone number, and hit save. And the same thing works for images. I'll click on this stock photo right here, upload an actual photo of a completed project from this business instead, and click save. And one obvious change that you'll probably want to make right out of the gate is updating the logo. And so for this website, I've got the logo right here on my computer. The logo file is a transparent PNG, which is very important. And so to change the logo, I'll simply upload the logo file into Horizons using this upload icon here. And then just instruct the AI to update the logo with this image. And after a few moments, the logo has been updated. And if you ever make a change on the website that you don't like, there's an undo button right here. And if something breaks entirely on the website, you can restore back to the previous working version. And so there really is no real risk in experimenting with things. Now, let's say that you wanted to change something more specific, right? Like changing just one single element on the page. For this, you can use the Select and Edit tool right here. So click on it to turn it on, and then hover over whatever you want to change, and then just click it. So let's just say, for example, that I felt like this background was too plain, okay? I'll select it, and then over here, you'll notice that it now says element selected. Describe the changes. And so I'll type, give this section a background image instead of a solid color, and then hit enter. The AI will then update just that one single element. It's some pretty cool stuff. Now, for bigger changes across the whole site, you can just chat with the AI directly the same way that we did when we first generated the site. And so let's just say that I'm not loving the default color scheme and I want the homepage to feel more like modern and landscapey overall. I'm gonna click into this chat box, and first I'll ask for a warmer and more natural color palette, such as greens and earth tones that fit a landscaping brand a lot better. I'll send that and let it finish. Then separately, I'll ask it to make the homepage more dynamic and show off the services and past projects more clearly. I would recommend splitting your request like this to keep things clean and avoid confusing the AI by trying to do too much within one prompt. So everything on the site is looking amazing so far. So let's talk about something very important, which is how to add a page that doesn't actually exist on the website yet. Let's say that this business wants a dedicated page for customer reviews. You don't need any special tools for this. You simply ask the AI to create that page for you. So I'll click into the chat box and type something like, add a new testimonials page with a headline, a few sample customer reviews, and a call to action button to contact us. And of course, if you have any real reviews to add, then you would add those into the chat box. I'm just using sample reviews because I don't have anything yet. And so I'll submit that, and the AI will begin building that entire page from scratch. It'll match the branding and the style of that page with the rest of the website. Once it's done, check the navigation menu to make sure that the new page actually shows up. And if it doesn't, just ask the AI to add that new page to the main menu. And if we go to that page, you'll notice that it added that page for us, and this looks like a legitimate review page. It looks really good. Now, one more thing worth setting up on your site is the contact form. Horizons usually does build one automatically on the first pass, but it does still need to be connected so that it can actually save the submissions. So the only thing I'm gonna do is just ask the AI to make the contact form functional and save submissions to the database. Once that's done, you'll get an email notification every time someone fills out that contact form, and you can just check the data tab anytime to see all of the real submissions coming in. Now, the last step before this website is finished is we need to check the mobile view of the website. To do this, click the phone icon up here to preview how everything looks on the phone. Now, Horizons does handle most of this stuff automatically, like making sure the website works on your phone, but it's always worth a quick check just in case anything looks off. You can ask the AI to fix it. But once you're happy with everything, it's time to officially publish the website. So to do that, head to the top right over here and click publish. And this process will typically take a couple of minutes. And once it's done, there it is. The site is now live. Now, at the moment, the site is technically on a temporary Hostinger domain, which you definitely wouldn't want to keep for your actual real website. And so we need to add your domain so that when people type in your website address, it takes them to your new website. So let's really quickly do that. So the first thing you'll want to do is click on connect to a custom domain. And if you went with the yearly plan earlier, then you get one free domain included. And that's another reason why I would highly recommend going with the annual plan over paying month to month. So I'll search for the business name and it's available. And so I'll select it, confirm the country and the contact details, and finish the registration. Hostinger will then register the domain and connect it to your project automatically. So let's take a really quick step back so we can see what we actually did here. So this is where we started right here, an old website with a very dated design and almost zero personality. And this right here is where we ended up after 5-8 minutes. A modern, mobile-friendly website with big photos that actually show off the work and a site that feels like a real professional business. And this entire redesign took no time at all using AI. So if you've got a website that needs a refresh, or if you're starting from scratch, this is genuinely the easiest way to do it. The link is in the description for Hostinger Horizons. Don't forget to use coupon code Joshua Mayo at checkout for 10% off your plan. And if this helped you out, drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to drop any questions that you have in the comments down below as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching. You're amazing. And I will see you again in the next video. Take care.